So guys, I'm going to take you through how to do some foam rolling and self-massage. Now, a lot of clients will tell me that they start getting pain around their knees when they start training quite regularly or doing lots of cycling or running. What tends to happen is the muscles down the side of this leg called your IT band can get really tight, and then it pulls on the kneecap and causes pain. So this is like your own self-massage physiotherapist and roller. So what we need to do with this is we're about £10 on Amazon. Pop yourself onto the floor with that roller down on the floor as well. You're going to find where the seam of your trousers would sit, and you're going to place yourself, weight on your hands or elbows with your bent leg on top. Now from here you're going to roll that all the way up to the side of the hip socket and down just about 2 inches above the knee. And what that's going to do is release all those muscle fibres in those legs, especially if you've been training hard, and it's also going to help therefore release pain around your knees. So ideally you want to be spending about 30 seconds. It's quite a strong stretch. Around 30 seconds here on each leg and swap sides. So guys, that is how to foam roll your IT band to prevent knee pain.